Shards of glass glitter on the ground, beneath the twisted metal of the bumper. The aftermath of a collision tells a story of impact and force. What was once a pristine machine is now a testament to a moment of chaos. The front end is a ruin of bent steel and broken plastic. The frame itself pushed back, compromising the very skeleton of the car. Many would look at this 2026 Toyota Corolla and see only its end, a write-off destined for the scrapyard. But where they see an ending, we see a new beginning. We see the potential for resurrection, a challenge to restore what was lost and bring this modern classic back from the brink. The journey will be painstaking, requiring precision, skill, and an unwavering commitment to perfection. This is not just a repair. It is a complete rebirth. The scene transitions to a fast-paced time-lapse. The music becomes more upbeat and percussive. Technicians swarm the Corolla, tools in hand. The mangled bumper is unbolted and removed, followed by the dented fenders and the creased hood. The radiator, its fins bent and broken, is carefully disconnected and lifted out. The camera provides close-ups of bolts being loosened and wiring harnesses being unplugged. In a matter of seconds, the entire front end is stripped away, exposing the damaged chassis and engine bay, ready for the heavy work to begin. With the superficial damage cleared, the true extent of the structural trauma is revealed. The teardown is a methodical process of deconstruction, each part carefully labeled and set aside. It's a reverse assembly line that allows us to assess the core of the problem. Every single component, from the main bumper reinforcement to the smallest plastic clip, must be removed to grant us access to the compromised unibody. This phase is critical. A single overlooked piece of damage here could compromise the entire restoration. We have laid the foundation bare, and now the real artistry of reconstruction can commence. The mood shifts to one of intense focus. The music becomes steady and industrial. Close-up shots show a heavy chain attached to the car's frame, connected to a hydraulic pulling tower. The machine whirs to life, and with immense, controlled force, it begins to pull the twisted metal back into its original alignment. Gauges are monitored closely. Elsewhere, a technician uses a hammer and dolly, rhythmically tapping out a large dent on a door panel. Sparks fly as a new support structure is welded into the front, reinforcing the chassis with fresh, strong steel. This is where metal is truly mastered. The car's unibody is its soul, and straightening it requires a delicate balance of brute force and surgical precision. Using state-of-the-art laser measuring systems, we pull the frame back to within a millimeter of its factory specifications. This isn't just about making new parts fit. It's about ensuring the car's future safety and performance. Simultaneously, our bodywork specialists meticulously work the panels, patiently smoothing out every imperfection. They are sculptors, and their medium is steel. Every weld is laid with expert care, ensuring the new structures are stronger than the original, building a foundation of resilience. The scene changes to a clean, white paint booth. The Corolla's body, now flawlessly straight and smooth, is covered in a dull gray primer. A technician in a full-body suit and respirator begins to apply the new paint. The camera follows the spray gun as it glides over the surfaces, laying down a perfect, even coat of brilliant silver. The music becomes smoother, more melodic. The freshly painted car is then shown being meticulously wet-sanded by hand, followed by a high-speed buffer that brings the surface to a stunning, mirror-like gloss. Perfection is achieved in layers. After the meticulous bodywork, the car is prepped for its new skin. Multiple coats of high-quality primer create the ideal canvas, ensuring adhesion and durability. Inside the controlled environment of the paint booth, the magic happens. We apply several coats of the original factory silver, followed by a deep protective clear coat. But the work doesn't end there. To achieve a finish that surpasses even the factory standard, we engage in an exhaustive process of color sanding and multi-stage polishing. This laborious task removes any hint of texture, creating a liquid smooth surface that reflects light with unparalleled clarity and depth. An energetic and satisfying time-lapse sequence begins. The music builds in tempo and excitement. Brand new gleaming parts are brought into the frame. Technicians expertly install a new set of sleek LED headlights, followed by the black honeycomb grille. The new, perfectly painted bumper is fitted into place, aligning seamlessly with the fenders. The iconic Toyota emblem is carefully placed on the grille. The camera captures the satisfying clicks and snaps as each new piece finds its home, completing the car's face. The final assembly is the culmination of all our efforts. It is a symphony of precision as the car is reborn piece by piece. Every new component, from the headlights to the emblems, is an original equipment manufacturer (OEM) part, guaranteeing a perfect fit and finish. This is the most rewarding stage, where the vehicle transforms from a collection of restored and new parts back into a cohesive, beautiful whole. Watching the clean lines and perfect gaps come together is a testament to the meticulous work that preceded it. The puzzle is now complete. The final scene unfolds under dramatic studio lighting. The restored 2026 Toyota Corolla sits center stage, its silver paint gleaming. The camera slowly circles the car, showcasing its flawless finish and perfect panel gaps. The music swells to a powerful, triumphant crescendo. The scene cuts to the Corolla, driving effortlessly along a scenic coastal road as the sun sets, its reflection gliding across the polished bodywork. The video ends on a final beautiful shot of the car, disappearing around a curve.